Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious jam and coconut cake. If you're a coconut lover, you're gonna absolutely love this one. Don't forget, pictures on my Instagram account at Christina's Cuisine. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. Until next time, don't forget, go break an egg. Coconut and jam cake. Ingredients. We will need, I have here 50 grams of softened salted butter I'm going to use, and I have 175 grams of custard sugar, 4 eggs, 80 grams of desiccated coconut, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 500 milliliters of milk, and about 4 or 5 tablespoons of jam. I'm going to use strawberry jam because that is my favorite, but you can use kind of any jam you like, and that will go with the coconut. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to mix butter, sugar and eggs together until they're nice and fluffy. Go. All done and coconutty, and it will go in the oven for about 45-50 minutes until it's nice and golden. See you then. And there she is. She smells delicious, absolutely gorgeous. Look at all those cracks of deliciousness. Oh my goodness. So I cannot wait to try a slice. You can have it with cream or custard or whipping cream, or just by itself with a cup of coffee or tea. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you next time for more deliciousness. Stay tuned.